In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Google search ad campaigns in HubSpot so you can promote your business and reach the right audience directly from your dashboard. Start by logging into HubSpot, then go to the marketing section and click on ads. Once you're there, click create ad campaign and choose search ad as your campaign type. Then select your connected Google Ads account and choose to create a new campaign. Next, set up your ad by adding your final URL, which is the page people will land on after clicking. Then write a few short headlines and descriptions that clearly explain your offer and grab attention. After that, move to the keyword section and add the search terms your audience is likely to use. You can use HubSpot suggestions to find relevant keywords and refine your targeting so you're not wasting your budget. Then go to the targeting settings where you choose your location, language, and audience. This ensures your ads are shown to the right people based on who you want to reach. Now set your daily budget and bidding strategy depending on whether your goal is more clicks, leads, or conversions, and choose your campaign schedule. Before finishing, you can also enable automation to automatically track and follow up with leads who interact with your ads. Once everything looks good, click publish and your campaign will go live. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google search ad campaign in HubSpot to drive traffic and grow your business.